Namaste everyone. Another day with 10 important words from the Hindu newspaper, and this is AJ. Let's begin today's session of 10 words per day presented by Tattwamasi Learning Hub. Remembering APJ Abdul Kalam, the People's President of India, on his death anniversary, a man, the missile man who changed the mindset of youth, the role model of the so-called youths of India. Remembering the legend. Let's begin today's session. First word is flummoxed. A rare word, an uncommon word, and meaning of this flummoxed is confused or perplexed or flustered. This is confused is the meaning. This word is slew. Small word is SLEW, and meaning of the word is a large amount. Slew means a large amount, and Kejriwal to announce large amount of measures to revive economy. This is the meaning of the article. This word is interim budget, interim relief, something like that. And the meaning of the word interim is a transitional or temporary period between other events. So interim means a transitional or temporary period between other events. This word is reinvigorate. Reinvigorate is the meaning word, and the meaning of this word is to give new life or energy or strength to someone or something. Actual meaning is to revitalize. So reinvigorate means to revitalize. This word is conspiracy. Conspiracy means a group of ravens or a conspiracy theory opposite alleging conspiracy. The act of two or more persons called conspirators working secretly to obtain some goal, usually understood with negative connotations. Okay, these are something that related to conspiracy. This word is deplorable, and meaning of the word deplorable is deserving strong condemnation or shockingly bad or wretched. Deserving strong condemnation, shockingly bad or wretched. This word is toppling. Toppling is a present participle. So word is topple. To push through, overturn, overthrow, and as per try toppling any government, Uddhav tells BJP, and toppling means to push or through, overturn, or to make the party or the governing council to get far. So topple means push. Vagaries, and many of them vagary is an erratic, unpredictable occurrence or action, an impulsive or illogical desire. This word is pursuit. Pursuit, and the meaning of pursuit is an hobby or recreational activity done regularly, something that is done regularly, like hobby. Another meaning is the prosecution. Okay, moots is another word, and moot is the meaning for the word irrelevant or obsolete, or something like subject to discussion, arguable, debatable, unsolved, something like that, or having no practical impact or relevance, being an exercise of thought or academic. Moreover, it's a debatable or arguable word. These are 10 important words selected today. Hope you learned. We'll see tomorrow with another 10 important words. This is AJ signing out. Thank you.